Bird Box by Josh Malerman. In a post-apocalyptic world, unseen creatures drive people to madness and suicide if looked at. Mallory must navigate a blindfolded journey with her children to safety. The Bird Box explores moral and philosophical dilemmas in the post-apocalyptic world where invisible creatures drive people mad and suicidal. This story explores trust, fear, and human nature in difficult situations. The main character faces the ethical dilemma of protecting her children while risking their freedom. Bird Box by Josh Malerman. This story explores the survival of the family. The characters face challenges. The mother, together with her children, embarks on their dangerous journey through the forest and down to the river to find places that are safe for them. To make it, they'll have to cover their eyes from the evil that chases them and complete the trip blindfolded. Bird Box is a story of survival, resilience, and the lengths a mother will go to protect her children. The challenges faced by the characters highlight the fear. This story reflects the human instinct to survive even in the darkest and most dangerous circumstances, emphasizing the importance of trust and hope in the face of fear.